Do you have the suspect description or anything we can start looking at?
Working on it.
¿Dónde fue? ¿En la lomita de aquí atrás?
Do they speak any English?
She was going this way. She was going this way, that way. And then she was going. Él venía del lado de allá para acá. He was coming from the little loma over there. This way.
So he's coming this way?
He was coming this way, and she was coming this way.
He was coming which way?
Yeah, he was coming from left to right.
From the apartments back over there.
Do you speak a little bit of English?
Yes.
Can you explain him for me? Because I'm about to go look for him.
Sure, it was a white dude with a belly, no shirt, a little bit strong.
No shirt?
No shirt.
Okay.
With a pinkish gun, she said.
Pinkish gun?
Yeah, like a pink, like purple, or maybe that's what you saw. Look between Hispanic and American.
He asked me if I'm okay. I said yes, why? And he put me with the gun, and then I'm going to the trash.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And they got behind, and then I was scared, so I roamed. And he said, "Oh shit!" And I left the door there and roamed.
How tall was he?
Era de mi tamaño más o menos. Te digo el pelo.
El pelo bajito.
El pelo, short hair, about my size.
Como carmelita.
Like brownish hair.
Yeah. It's either a holdup or at the least a one endangerment. It sounds like. Did he point a gun at her?
Yes.
Okay. So there's no. He didn't take her dog or anything.
Maybe he tried to fire. And
Did he take anything? Like take her dog?
The dog was with her. She ran, left the dog behind, and then I called the dog, and the dog came.
Okay,
back,
I got
so
you. It's a one endangerment. We'll go look for him.
Okay. Yeah, she was saying back this way here.
This way?
Right, this way here.
What apartment was that, sir?
This one was one. His name is Casey Barnes.
Okay.
But I never saw him, other than like his feet. He just said it was his employer asking to check on him. He said he was okay. Like he just said, "Yeah, I'm okay." And
Hey, let's go do a welfare check on.
to be kind
Yeah.
what's the score of that? So about 30 minutes ago, I made a welfare check right over there.
Mm-hmm.
And so on a guy by the name of Casey Barnes. I knocked several times. He never came to the door, or he never answered the door.
Mm-hmm.
He finally did reply to me. He said, "Yeah, I'm fine." And that's it. I mean, there wasn't. Never saw him other than his feet, like at the bottom. But it's kind of odd that this came out like.
Was the welfare check was like he was having some type of suicidal ideations or?
So from work, they just were concerned about him because he hadn't shown up in the last 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
They said that was out of his character. He was like in and out of consciousness at work, it appeared to be.
Okay.
And then that's when he said he didn't feel well, so he left work, and then he hadn't been back. He didn't show up today.
Yeah, we can go.
It's just kind of odd that it just kind of happened.
Did she describe him at all besides?
She said
White male, 5'10" to 6 foot. He was described him as
struggling to get out.
white male, Hispanic. She's like, I guess, just a little bit darker than just
Having facial hair. Or...
I gotta get my jacket, guys. I'm freezing. She doesn't call it facial hair, spiky hair.
Okay. Hey! Hey! Hey, man, put the gun down! Put the gun down! Tones, Jordan, no tones. The complex after them.
Yeah.
They're like, we got to rebrand this. What's gonna? Was that a person standing there?
There's a person sitting there.
He's pointing this way.
Drop the gun!
613 Adams, shots fired. All units 1086. We have one subject down. Start EMS.
Somebody hold on him. I'm gonna
I got him. I got hands.
You got hands? We'll hold on.
Yep.
Hey, get back in!
Stay in there.
Get inside, get inside.
Stay in the house! Who is it? Stay in the house!
You address that, please. We got this.
Where's the gun?
He's got to be on it.
All right.
Hey, somebody go hands.
Fingers on that trigger. Watch it.
He's down. Gun secure.
Hey, welfare check that apartment. Hey, you said cover up.
Let's go ahead. Let's get him cuffed.
Metro Police! Metro Police!
Hey, are y'all okay inside?
Are you all okay?
All right, I'm holding up. Let's see what we got here. Dude, he's got one in the dome. There's nothing I can do for this.
Huh?
If we want to put a chest seal on that, we can. We're fine. We're fine. We're.
This is. Drop the gun! Hey, we. Hey. Somebody hold on him. I'm gonna check on that. You got hands? We'll hold on.
Hey, get back in! Stay in there!
Get inside. Get inside.
Stay in the house! Who is it? Stay in the house!
You address that, please. We got this.
Where's the gun?
He's got to be on it.
All right. Hey, somebody go hands.
Fingers on that trigger. Watch it.
He's down. Gun secure.
Hey, welfare check that apartment. Hey, you said cover on him.
Metro Police! Metro Police!
Hey, are y'all okay inside?
Are you all okay?
I just want to make sure nobody's. I mean, you don't see anybody laying down in there?
No.
No blood?